Just walking around somewhere with like a boom mic and like people are like, what's going on? What are they filming?
Yeah, exactly.
It's fucking.
You could
it's my
interview
boom.
so many people.
Back up.
Like so. How's it going? Why does this stuff come in such big pieces? Like
what? Ginger?
Ginger, yeah. Like I can't eat like that. That's crazy.
I don't know.
I'm telling you, you ain't gonna make it perfect. I'm just gonna eat it up.
Damn, look at that.
Just slap it on there
This
next
thing is
time.
serious.
You know what? I read sick all the time, make it beautiful, so you can appreciate it.
I do. I'm just saying.
I'm really just doing it just to tempt you, like nice stuff.
Are you stoned?
Oh, going home. Perfect. It's too fucking hot. Alright, now for the crunch.
Crunch?
For the crunch.